As a quantity surveyor, Qs, you are responsible for managing all aspects of the financial side of construction projects. From cost estimating and budget management, to contract administration and claims resolution, your role is critical to the success of a project. To excel in this field, there are certain skills and traits that are essential to possess. Here, we will discuss 9 secrets to becoming an unmatchable quantity surveyor. 1. Strong numeracy skills. As a Qs, you will be working with numbers on a daily basis. You need to have a good understanding of mathematical concepts and be able to apply them to your work. This includes being able to accurately estimate costs, create budgets, and manage financial reports. 2. Strong analytical skills. A good Qs should be able to analyze complex data, identify patterns and trends, and make informed decisions. This skill is particularly important when it comes to assessing the feasibility of a project and identifying potential risks. 3. Strong communication skills. As a Qs, you will be working with a wide range of stakeholders, including architects, engineers, and clients. Strong communication skills are essential for building relationships, communicating effectively, and resolving conflicts. 4. Strong negotiation skills. A good Qs should be able to negotiate effectively with suppliers, contractors, and other stakeholders. This skill is essential for managing costs, ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget, and resolving disputes. 5. Strong project management skills. A good Qs should be able to plan and manage projects effectively. This includes being able to create detailed project plans, manage resources, and track progress. 6. Strong attention to detail. A good Qs should be able to pay close attention to detail and ensure that all aspects of the project are completed to a high standard. 7. Strong organizational skills. A good Qs should be able to manage their time effectively, prioritize tasks, and maintain accurate records. 8. Strong technical knowledge. A good Qs should have a thorough understanding of the construction process, including building materials, construction methods, and industry regulations. 9. Strong problem-solving skills. A good Qs should be able to identify problems and come up with creative solutions. This skill is essential for managing risks, resolving disputes, and ensuring that projects are completed successfully. To become an unmatchable quantity surveyor, you should continuously work on developing and improving these skills. You should also seek to gain experience in a variety of project types and industries. This will provide you with a well-rounded understanding of the field, and will also help you to develop a diverse skill set. Additionally, you should seek out professional development opportunities, such as seminars, workshops, and training programs, to stay up to date with industry trends and best practices. In conclusion, being a quantity surveyor is a challenging and rewarding field that requires a diverse set of skills. By possessing strong numeracy, analytical, communication, negotiation, project management, attention to detail, organizational, technical knowledge, and problem-solving skills, you can become an unmatchable quantity surveyor who can excel in their role and make a real impact in the construction industry. Thanks for watching.